kit out, I'll show you the Brinks locks that we had. That competition, 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Right. This one's getting put to one side for a reason. There's all the keys that were sent with them, so 2 for each. And I can't for the life of me remember which ones are which, but I will go through them. If you bear with. I think it's this one. Right, that's the first one. There's your bitting on the first one. I've said before on the forum that the 3 of these can be classed as easy, medium and impossible, and this one is either the easy or the medium. So let's find out which one it was. Now obviously I was the only person, I'm guessing, that picked the easy one. That's why I got a quick time, and everyone else seemed to struggle a little. So I can fully understand now as to why this happened. And being the prat that I am, I've not got the right wrench out. That's a good one. Yes. Lighting in here is shite. I'll have to do. Right. See what I mean? Look. As soon as I put the pick in, false. 1. 2. 3. Ooh, did I get it? Oh, overset it. There you go. Ah, there it is. There we go. Right. Done. I'll put that sideways. We can know which one it is. I think that was the easy one. Obviously I made it look a bit bleeding harder, but no one's timing me this time. Medium one. Now I think it was that key, I think. Yes. So if I show everyone. High one at the back, low one's in the middle. Again, just look at the wrench, I know, in line with, I don't know, this part here. Put the pick in, it drops. As soon as you get to the back, it drops. Just going along. Oh, there's one bumping, you see that? That one's set. Going along. I think that was 3. Oh, sounds like I overset it. Let go again. Back in a false. Pin 1 is being difficult. Got I'm trying to explain, and now it's taking the piss. Ah, there we go. Right. I just overset something. I'm not feeling anything working, so let's just let go a little bit. There we go, we're back. That's pin 4, I think, done. Ooh, 1's back. That's him done. Everything seemed to have stopped a little bit. Or is it this guy? There he is. See that? Oh, I definitely didn't overset that one. Let go a little bit. Well, it's a good job I'm not being timed now, isn't it? Right. But as I said, this one is the medium difficulty, so I can understand. I believe Pick Wizard got this one, or picked at this one, and so he did get it, but it's just not as easy to get as the other one. For fuck's sake, come on. Let's just switch to a bit of a taller hook. Yeah, that'll do it. There we go. Come on, it's taking a piss now, 9 minutes nearly. Oh, I'm stuck in a rut, I'm stuck in a rut. Oh, fuck's sake. Right. Right. This one, I'm not going to try and pick it because the time will run into past what YouTube's capacity is on storage, I'm sure. But anyway, I'll show you the key and I'll show you it working. I've yet to pick it, and you'll all see the key bitting, which that's the one. It's not obviously it's got this bit here, high low, high low. It's a bit bad, but in a padlock this size it shouldn't cause that many problems. But I can't feel any security pins. I can't get things to set. But the key works perfectly fine. So I'm going to keep trying, but I won't hold my breath. They were the Brinks padlocks. As I said before, that was the reward. I got the padlocks and I kept that bad boy for the pick case. So cheers guys.